Make Gantt chart in 2 minutes.
Step 1. From Add-on Marketplace, install the Quick Gantt add-on.
Step 2. Click Quick Gantt, click Setup Template. It sets a default template project. Select all the start and finish dates and select Generate Gantt. Enter the column where there is color, actual start, actual finish, and date cell. Once done, you will see the full-fledged Gantt chart. You can rotate views between daily, weekly, and monthly. First, let us change date to Jan. Set Comfortable View and adjust the percentage complete. As we change the start date, the black bar moves accordingly. The black bar is the actual bar with percentage complete at end. As we change actual start date, the black bar moves accordingly. Once actual finish is entered, the black bar is set. Next, we see how to change Gantt bar colors. In Color column, select the activities and set the color of Gantt bar. Once set, go to Menu, Sync Color, and that is it. Color is changed. You can do this changes any number of times. You can easily use this feature to assign different colors to phases of project or teams or manager. All this for free, only in Quick Gantt, Google Sheet add-on. This is proud product of SheetKitty. Check our other products at sheetkitty.com. Join our mail list and stay updated. If you want new feature or want another add-on, please message us.